How to fix Instagram not linking on your TikTok profile. First things first is just access your TikTok profile and go to your profile, which is the me or the profile icon right here. Just tap on that. Then once you're on your profile, just go to the three lines, the top right corner. Then go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down until you find report a problem. Now scroll down again all the way to the bottom. And then just tap on submit a report. Now from here, if you took a screenshot for that certain error message, you can go ahead and upload it on this gallery icon right here. And if you also have the video footage for the occurring problem, just simply upload that video file right here. Now from here, all you have to do is just simply type in help me fix help me fix my Instagram account not linking on my TikTok profile. So once you submit this, you will be generated with a ticket number, and then all you have to do is just wait for a TikTok customer support to get back to you, because they're going to be the ones to rectify the problem for you. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix Instagram not linking on your TikTok profile.